Welcome to Aging Brain Boost. Let's learn how to play. From the home screen, select Start Playing. Here you are presented with a choice of decades. Select the decade with which you best identify. The game will utilize images and music from that decade. Tap a decade and then tap Go. Next, select the level of difficulty for the game. As you play higher levels of difficulty, the number of variables you encounter in each puzzle increases. After you select a level of difficulty, you will be presented with a number of games you can play. This is the puzzle background. Each level contains 10 puzzles that will have different images and different variables. Simply put, the goal is to match the center image with the variables by tapping the graphics surrounding it. You will play 10 games, and then a summary screen will appear. The summary screen will identify errors made by suggesting that you try again. This gives you the opportunity to correct and learn from your mistakes. Let's review a few features and actions you can take to work through the puzzles. Here you have the information about what level and difficulty you are on. Here are 2 buttons to help you. The Hint button suggests prompts you might say out loud to help you find the correct images. The Image Key button shows the image orientations you will see throughout the level. This section indicates the variables that you are to match to the center image. The game may ask you to match images with the same shape, size, color, or direction, or to match images with a different shape, size, color, or direction. Press and hold over an image to show its characteristics. Then tap Close to hide that window. After making your choices, you can proceed to the next puzzle by tapping Next. If you would like to go back to the prior puzzle, press the previous button. Tap the Decade button to take you back to the Decade selection screen. Tap the Music and Background button if you would like to start, stop, or change the musical track. You can also change the background color to best suit your playing style or comfort. The summary screen. Once you have played a full level, you will reach the summary screen. From here, you can view how well you played the level. You can tap Try Again to revise that puzzle and correct your mistakes. You can reset the puzzle to replay the exact same level. You can retry the level with new images and variables. And finally, you can move on to the next level. If you are an instructor, you can play one level and tap the next button until you see the summary screen. You can review the score and return back to the summary screen by tapping Try Again. Now you know how the game works and how to move about the game. Start playing Aging Brain Boost.